everybody, Christina, Mobile Home Mama, and it's windy out here, so I'm gonna try to be fast. Looking under the Tyvek weather wrap, we've got an OSB wrap. Make sure you put that under there. That's gonna keep all your energy inside, whether it's heat or air conditioning. We've got some pier savers under the door. This is a 14 by 60, 2-bedroom, 2-bath, and it is called the Flora. Only been on my channel, I think, one time in the very early stages of my career as the Mobile Home Mama. So it's nice to see this baby out here again. So it's been around for a long time. Okay, down here, water faucet, outlet for the water heater. This is where your electric's gonna go. And also got an electrical receptacle down there. We know we have gas in this home because right there's the gas outlet. And it's really easy. When the home gets to your property, you wanna already have the pad or the piers there. And then you wanna have all the utilities ran to that pad so that when the installers come, they're gonna hook up the mains to the home. So, easy peasy. Let's go inside and check it out. Hey, the great thing about the Flora home is it really is the 14 wide version of a home we call the Attica. So the Attica is an extremely popular floor plan because a lot of park sizes are 60 foot. They just have been that way. That was kind of the average size years ago. And so if you're looking to get into a park that's still privately owned, it's a good chance that you're going to have a 60-foot long home in their standard spaces. So wide open to the kitchen. You could put an island here. There's enough space, and the rules for that are you have to be 36 inches from any surface. That's to be able to get a wheelchair through. So we've got aged European. This is a natural oak on the floor, and this is linoleum. All of our single wides are linoleum throughout, and we're gonna lay that first and then put everything on top of it. So the linoleum is a nice material. It's a great material, stands the test of time, and the way that we build with it is gonna also make sure that it lasts. We've got a laminate backsplash. Make sure you protect that wall. And then we've got Formica countertops. White on the cabinets, black handles, of course, and then some of the last black appliances that we're gonna see in a Champion home. Headed down the hallway, got the furnace on the left right here. Make sure you put a furnace door. It's not a standard feature. If you want it, it looks a lot nicer. If you don't, this is gonna be a wide open cavity. All right, we've got a washer dryer area. And yes, we still have a side-by-side. I got confused there for a second thinking we had a stackable. But add the wire shelf. It's only 47 bucks for now. Now, that's a great way to store your laundry detergent for a low cost. Headed into the bathroom. It's a little dark in here. No electricity going on. We've got a single vanity, hello, and a walk-in shower. Make sure that if you're thinking about your future, that you add a walk-in shower, at least in the primary bath. Here's the master bed. Yes. And then it's got a good sized closet also. Let me give you another view here in the corner. Put her in the corner. She's not listening very good today. That's what Brittany would say to me. We've been working really hard. You know, we get close to the 4th of July. And we want to make sure we get all the orders in before we get a day off. So nice deep closet. You could add an extra skirt and shirt rack if you wanted to. We've got a optional reverse aisle. You guys know what that is. That's when we put both doors on the same side. And look, perimeter heat. Yes, please. Take your cabinets to the ceiling if you get a chance. You don't have to, but you will, every time you clean up there, you'll be thinking of me, thinking, man, I should have done that. Okay, I want to talk about this while we're here and we see that. Look, you would think that's a manufacturing defect, but it is not. This home is sitting on some, well, Indiana clay, so the ground fluctuates with every rain that we have. If you take a look out here, there's nothing level about out here. When this home is leveled and sat on the pad or the piers, that is gonna go away. Now, let me tell you, during transit, sometimes these batten strips get loose. You just wanna take a pin nailer and nail them back up there. I mean, we will come as a courtesy and fix those for you one time, but as the home settles over the years, you're gonna have to do it some more. So grab you an electric pin nailer. That's what we do around here. Bath number 2, single vanity, tub shower combination is always the standard. And then, hey, there you are. Now I can see you. It's 92 degrees and about 100 in here. So if it's looking a little bit hazy, that is the precipitation in the air. This is bedroom number 2. And that's what's great about the Flora is you get a nice, large second bedroom. So give this floor plan a chance. If you're looking for a home that's affordable, not gonna break the bank, and has a wide open living space, then the Flora is the home for you. September 4th, open house. You're gonna hear me for the next 2 months say it to you. I'll get you a hotel, show you a great opportunity to come and learn about the factory. We'll feed you, factory tours, big savings. I hope to see you there. Happy 4th of July. Thanks for watching.